Welcome students. Now we are going to know about the time and work. This chapter of arithmetic is very interesting, but you must have some knowledge to work out this type of sums. Firstly, in solving these problems on time and work, remember that a man does a certain work in 4 days. A man does a work in 4 days. Then his 1 day's work will be how much? It will be 1/4. Remember it. Okay. Therefore, we can easily say 1 day's work equals to 1 by number of days to complete the work. Okay, complete the work. All right, so we can extend this part. All right, so here you see again this particular thing we can say conversely we can say that if his 1 day's work is 1/4, then he can complete the work in 4 days. Remember it. Okay, this is one thing you should keep in mind. Therefore, we can say easily that the number of days needed to complete the work equals to 1 by 1 day's work. All right, one more important thing you have to keep in mind, that time required to do a certain work equals to work to be done by 1 day's work. So this theory you have to keep in mind in working out this type of sums. Okay, so now we can do some sums. Yes, sum number 1 is saying that Tom can do a piece of work in 5 days and Harry can do it in 6 days. How long will they take to complete the work? So from here we can see that Tom can do the work in 5 days over here. 5 days. Therefore, we can say easily that Tom's 1 day's work, Tom's 1 day work equals to 1 by 5. All right. Again, we can see that Harry can do it in 6 days. Harry can do the same work, in fact, work in 6 days. Therefore, we can easily say that Harry's 1 day work equals to 1 by 6. Very simple. Okay. All right. Then what we have to find that how long will they take to complete the work. All right. So here, if they work together, okay, they work together. Here, what is going to happen? They work together. All right. So they work together, and their 1 day's work, 1 day's work equals to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6. All right. So here you can see that this is a very it's a fraction work. You have to know the fraction. If you do not have enough knowledge, you can see my earlier videos about fraction. Okay. So here, what is the LCM? 5 and 6 LCM is 30. All right. And over here you see, when you divide 30 by 5, then you are getting 6. Okay. And when you are dividing 30 by 6, then you are getting 5. All right. So here you are getting 11 by 30. Therefore, what is happening, that they together work. You have to reverse it. Okay, you have to reverse it. So once they work together, that is 30 by 11. So the days come like over here. You see, twos are, and then 8 by 11 days. That means 2 days and some hours. Okay, 8 by 11 hours. That is the time required. All right, to do the sum. Okay. This is another sum. Here the sum says that Dolly alone can clean the house in 3 hours, and Molly alone can clean the house in 4 hours. How much time would they take working together to clean 7 houses? Okay. So here you know that Dolly can alone clean a house in 3 hours. Okay. So her 1 hour's work, her 1 hour work equals to 1 by 3. Okay. That means 1 by 3 houses. Again, Molly can alone clean a house in 4 hours. Alright. So therefore her 1 hour work to clean the house equals to 1 by 4. Alright. So when they work together, working together, what is going to happen? So over here 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Okay. So here if you take the LCM, you find that LCM is 12 and 4 and 3 7. So this part is your 1 hours. Okay, 1 hour, remember this is 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour of work. So together, and now they have to clean like this 7. So the whole work they can do, that is the reverse. Whole work can be done by them 12 by 7. Okay. Now you see 7 they have to clean. Therefore, to clean 7 houses to be cleaned by them together equals to 12 by 7. And how many? This is the 7 houses, so 7. So if you cancel this 7 and 7, then your hour is 12 hours. So this is your answer. Alright. So this sum says that Farid and Faizan together can color a fence in 4 days. Okay. Farid alone would take 5 days to do the same coloring. How much time would Faizan working alone would take to do the same coloring the fence? Okay. So here try to understand that Farid and Faizan together take 4 days to coloring the fence. Okay. Therefore their 1 day's work, therefore their 1 day's work equals to 1 by 4. Alright. Again what we see, Farid alone would take 5 days to do the same coloring. Alright. So how much time would Faizan working alone would take to do the same coloring? So here check it that Farid here Farid one day work equals to 1 by 5. Alright. So now let us find the Faizan's 1 day work. Therefore Faizan's 1 day work will be together this one 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. So if you can take the LCM, then you will get 20. If you divide 20 by 4, you will get 5. If you divide 20 by 5, then you will get 4, and ultimately you are getting 1 by 20. That means, therefore, we can say Faizan can do the whole work equals to, if you just reverse it, okay, just reverse it, then it will be 20 days. It will be 20 days. You have to reverse it, okay. That means over here when you do it, I am just showing you the whole work is taken as 1 divided by the 1 day's work. Therefore, when you cross it 1, 2 by 1, then you are getting 20 days. Remember it. Okay, this is the small thing I have shown you. There should not be any confusion. Okay.